Could be 90.
Say yes.
91 tomorrow, 93 on Wednesday.
Oliver, say leche. Say yes. What does Fredo say? Oliver. Say, I'm a good boy.
Good boy.
Say, Mummy.
So did you hear what I said?
What'd you say?
Bring in the air conditioners and I'm cleaning all the fans.
Yeah, I did hear that, Woody. I'm trying to. I did hear that one. Hey, say, Mummy. Hey, Oliver. Oliver, eat your pancakes.
Clean both kitty litters.
He looks tired.